eyes are so red. Why do I look like a raccoon? This is not good. Hey guys, it's Ashlynn. So it is the night before the first day of school. I'm not like nervous. I'm just kind of, I don't want to say ready, but like kind of ready. I know that's like not normal really. So like kind of want to go back, but I'm low-key wanting to go back. And why are my eyes this red? So the reason why I'm not as nervous anymore is because on Monday I went in for freshman orientation and I like found all my classes and stuff. And then today, which is Tuesday, the day before school, Wednesday, I went in for a SCHOOL thing, a student council thing, and then I got to go to all my classes again. So I think I have it down and my eyes are scaring me. Anyways, so I'm not nervous about classes. I'm just kind of like not ready for all the work because I literally just got done with my summer reading thing. I read all of it, but I had to do my journal entries, which are over there. It is currently almost 10 o'clock and I should have been in bed already so I could get a good night's sleep. It's fine, it's not like really late anyways. I'm putting my glasses on to hide this. That did nothing. Okay, we're not doing that. It's a school night right now. That is so weird. Okay, anyways, if you are a new viewer, I'm just gonna tell you right now, this is not normal. I don't know why my eyes have been doing this lately. I'm gonna wake up with my eyes super puffy, like I already know that. I am such a mess. This is from softball. I wiped out completely. I'm a mess right now. Everything has been happening right before school and I'm not happy about that. My eyes have been like really dry right here because of, I don't know what it is, allergic reaction, sunburn, I don't know. I think it's an allergic reaction, but I'm not really sure. And so I've been trying to change my skincare routine and like, I guess it's getting better, but I just used the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. And it definitely hydrated my face more. They're not as dry, but my eyes are really red right now. It's just really weird, but at least they're not like, wow, you just saw that. At least they're not like crazy puffy. Also, I'm already 3 minutes and 30 minutes. 3 minutes and 30 minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes and 30 seconds into filming. I am not gonna look forward to uploading what? To editing this. Yeah, I just wanted to pop on and tell you how I feel about it being the first day tomorrow. I don't really know. I took a shower tonight, which is a good thing. I already have my outfit picked out. I got my summer reading done literally 5 minutes ago. And now I'm filming this because I'm gonna get ready with you guys tomorrow morning. If my eyes have been doing what they've been doing recently, I am not gonna be happy about that because I will be very embarrassed and very self-conscious going back to school if they do. Like, I'd rather them be red like this and just put concealer over it than them being like that big, you know? Because that's how they were this morning. Also, I have softball after school, so I'm gonna be carrying 2 backpacks. That's really good. Love that. And I'm charging my portable charger right now because you never know. I may end up needing it. You never know. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this part here because I'm rambling a lot. So I guess I will see you guys in the morning. Hopefully I can remember to do the snap transition. Okay, ready, set.
Shadows in my room, you can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you.
Good morning, everyone. Oh my gosh, it's the first day of school, obviously. And I'm going to do my makeup. If you can tell, my eyes are definitely puffy, but yesterday morning they were so much more puffy, so this is not puffy compared to what they were yesterday. I'm gonna use my Milk Makeup Cooling Stick to try to like fix that a little bit. Anyways, then I'm gonna use the Clinique Moisture Surge again because my eyelids are crusty. Like in the time lapse I already moisturized my face, but I didn't moisturize my eyelids much, and like I don't want them to be crusty. And like my eyelids, they decrease in puffiness like throughout the day, but like it's just, my eyelids are normally not this puffy, so that's the annoying thing. Like they don't have to be this puffy. Oh yeah, I need to go wet my beauty blender, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I just wanted to mention the moisturizer that I would usually use is this Double Dare one, the Honey Milk Dual Care, and I do love this stuff, but I'm like switching over my skincare routine because it's just time for new stuff. I'm not using that today, but 2 people that did use my link are Makeup by Ava01 and makeup by Marissa07. So Ava and Marissa, thank you guys so much for using my link. It means a lot. Yeah, make sure you go follow their Instagrams, and now I'm gonna do my makeup. There we go. That's so much better. So I'm actually just gonna time lapse me doing my makeup. If you want to see how I actually am doing my makeup, head over to my orientation video because that'll explain it better.
Easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to my heart instead of my head. You found another one, but I am the better one. I won't let you forget me. I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point why I love and I hate you and I can't.
Okay, so I'm done with my makeup as you just saw, and now I'm going to get my outfit on so you guys can see it and so I can wear it, and then you'll see what I do next. Let me get my outfit on. Okay, so this is my outfit, yeah, and then the shoes that I'm wearing are these. So now I need to do my hair. Crap. Wait, will it just stay like this? It's like not even in my tripod. Whatever. So I'm just gonna time lapse me doing my hair as well because I'm going to, so.
I change you, so I must replace you. Easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to my heart instead of my head. You found another one, but I am the better one. I won't let you forget me. I know it's all in my.
Alright, I'm ready for the most part, but there's still just a couple things I need to do. So I'm gonna first put some perfume on. This is Bath & Body Works Love and Sunshine. Okay, yeah, this one smells good. Not trying to smell bad on the first day. I need to pack my lunch, which I haven't done, which I was gonna do yesterday, but then I didn't do. Also, I feel like glasses would go good with this, but like I don't normally wear glasses. I always wear my contacts, so I'm just gonna wear my contacts today, but sometimes glasses make outfits cuter. Yeah, I need to go get a fresh pair of contacts because I want to change them because, you know, first day of school. Anyways, getting my portable charger. My charger. Oh yeah, love that. Okay. Got it. Oh yeah, this is my backpack, by the way. It's a North Face, and I gotta take my comics too. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go pack my lunch. I think I have everything. Do I have everything? I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna forget something. Also, my backpack actually like goes good with my outfit. This is my outfit again. The shorts are a bit short, but they're the only overalls like that are like this that actually fit me. So I just went with them. Yeah, they're from H&M. Oh yeah, and this shirt is from Forever 21. I got it off of Doe, and then these shoes are just from Nike. Oh my gosh, I can't forget my jewelry. Forgot I'm wearing this necklace as well, and then earrings. I'm not exactly sure what earrings, but I gotta have some earrings in because it's the first day, you know, we're just whole new me. Okay, jewelry, I got this. These earrings that definitely don't go with it, and then this little pinky ring. Also, my overalls keep looking weird with my backpack, and I don't know why, but it's okay. Now I'm gonna go pack my lunch because I gotta leave at 7 and it's like 6:45. Oh yeah, and I have to eat.
So you're nice.
Hi. Hey guys, I am home now. The first day of school is actually really successful, which I was pleasantly surprised about, and like it really was not bad. You get all worked up for it, you're like all scared and nervous at first, but then when you actually get there and you meet all your friends again and you know, do all that fun stuff, it's not bad at all. Like, of course it's a little intimidating at first because you're the little freshman and then there's like all the upperclassmen, like the seniors and the juniors, but like, don't get all nervous about it. I mean, of course you're gonna get nervous about it, but so I picked up two of my friends. I picked up Hallie and Hannah, and we went to the school. We were about late because there was so much traffic. Like, the road to get to my school was so backed up and traffic was going so slow, and the bell rings at 7:45 for us, and then school actually starts at 7:50, and we got in the school at 7:44 about, and it was really intense, but it was fine because it was the first day and there were still people behind us too, so it's like it wasn't bad. And then I went to my classroom, they took roll, we talked just about stuff, we got a syllabus, I got that signed, and I gotta turn it in tomorrow. It's our first assignment. That was American Studies honors. The next class I had was Sports Sciences honors, and that one was fine. There was nothing special about it really. That isn't even the classroom that we're gonna be in the whole year. It's really weird how it's working. Same with American Studies honors. We had to go upstairs, but usually it'd be downstairs. I don't know why. In that class we just took roll, and then we did this digital citizenship thing on our Chromebooks, which is really annoying. We do this like every year, and it's so annoying because you're just reviewing stuff you already know, and it just takes a while for no reason. And then we did like an all about me packet, which is literally so annoying because those, again, you do every year for probably like every teacher, and then it's just so annoying because it's just stuff about you and you don't really care about it, and it's just participation points. But of course it's like the easiest points you can get, so I can't really complain. Then my next class was geometry honors, and it's funny though and really awesome because my geometry honors teacher is my neighbor, so that's really nice. It's also really ironic though because I had no idea when I was going into geometry honors that my neighbor was gonna be the teacher, and then my mom told me and I was like, whoa, that's cool. That's really good, and I'm really happy about that because then I can like, I feel more comfortable talking to her and stuff and like asking her questions and stuff like that. And then I also have my friends, a few of my friends in that class, and it's a good time. But we already got an assignment, but it's not due until the end of the unit because all of our papers that we get for geometry honors are just due at the end of the unit. So pretty much if I just don't procrastinate, I can get them done, and then I won't have to stress about it and about getting them turned in one day. Or if like I have a softball game one night, then I can just take that night off and then not have to rush and get it done at like 11 o'clock at night. I don't know if you guys care about my classes, but if you do, then here's this. But anyways, my last class is freshman seminars. So we're doing this thing, it's like freshman academy, and it's so annoying. Like you have to literally choose your career path. We did this like the middle end of the year in 8th grade. Like what 8th grader really knows what they're gonna do with their life or what really they want to do? I really don't know what I want to do. Obviously probably something in the makeup industry because that just makes sense and it would just be fun. Anyways, so I got put in this random class, and it's with my friend Hallie, and there's a few other of my friends in that class, so that's good. But literally we just took a tour of the school, which I already knew where everything was in the first place, so it's kind of pointless, and so did everyone else. We literally put a shoe in the middle of the circle, and then someone picked up your shoe and gave it to you, and then you had to say your name, an interesting fact about you, and then like where you went during the summer, which I just said,
hi, my name is Ashlynn. I play softball and I went to the lake this summer.
I was gonna say I have a YouTube channel, but then I would get so many questions about that, and I don't want to get made fun of, so we're just gonna keep that on the DL for now and let people find out by themselves. Then after that, I ended up leaving my Chromebook in geometry honors, and so I had to go back to geometry honors, and I had a little conversation with my geometry honors teacher, my neighbor, which that was really fun. Not a bad conversation, don't worry. It wasn't like, oh my gosh, you forgot your Chromebook. Anyways, it was a good conversation, and I got my Chromebook, and I need to charge that tonight. It's back there somewhere. And then I went to softball after that. I was really not feeling it today. I just didn't really want to be there just because I had such a long day at school, and it was the first day, and it was kind of just, you know. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot. Okay, so I've already like ended the video and stuff, but I'm gonna include this somewhere in the video. So I forgot that I had 2 Octoly packages to unbox. So I'm gonna unbox them right now, or unbag them, whatever you want to call it. Octoly, you guys probably know what it is. I don't know. If you haven't watched my channel, you probably don't, but Octoly is just where you get like free products in exchange for an honest review. You have to meet certain requirements to do it, but anyways, I got 2 new packages. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. So I got first the packing slip, of course, and then the Guerlain Radiance Concentrate with Pure Gold Makeup Base, which I wanted to use today, but I didn't get it in time, but I'll probably start using it. Oh my gosh, look at how nice it looks. Oh my gosh, this is glass bottle, literally gold in it. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Comes with a little pump, it's really nice. And okay, that's really nice. Thank you so much for Octoly and Guerlain for sending me these products. But yeah, that's super nice. I'm so excited to try it out. I'll link it in the description for y'all. The next one that I got, also I picked these products out by the way, but so I got the packing slip. Obviously, I don't even need to say that every time, but I got 4 Ofra liquid lipsticks, which is literally insane. But it's a lip bundle, and this is so cool how I literally am holding like these 4. Like, that is so crazy. But yeah, this was sent to me through Octoly, and thank you guys so much for sending me these. Okay, so I'm actually gonna swatch them because why not? So first of all, we have this one, which is a really pretty shade. It's showing up darker on camera, but it's like a more muted purple nudish color, and it is in the shade Sanibel. But yeah, Ofra rebranded their stuff, and it's really cool. Also, I love Ofra liquid lipstick formulas, and they smell so good. If you have never tried Ofra liquid lipsticks, you need to try them because they're so good. This is that shade. Ooh, that shade is really pretty. I'm not one to wear like a liquid lipstick or a lip product in general besides Carmex on an everyday basis. But this next one is like a really pretty red shade, and it's in the shade Brickle. So this is what their new packaging looks like, by the way. It's really cool. Okay. So this one is Brickle. It really reminds me, whoa, that looks so good. But it really reminds me of the shade Atlantic City, which I also have. Let me go grab that so I can compare it. So this is Atlantic City, like I was talking about. But I think this packaging is definitely nicer because the words like rub off on this type of packaging. Like, that's all that's left. But whoa, those look almost identical. Also, I definitely did not mean to make an exclamation mark, but I did. But yeah, I feel like if you have Atlantic City, you don't need to buy Brickle too, but I mean, it's like a bundle. So the next shade I have is Las Olas. That's probably not how you pronounce it, but ooh, this is like a pretty nude shade. It's more on the brownish, pinkish, sort of pinkish side, but it's really pretty. That one's really pretty. Also, these swatch amazingly. The next one is more of like a plum mauvey nude shade, but it's in the shade Ball Harbor. Looks like that. Ooh, this shade is so pretty. I feel like that'll go with a lot of different looks. But that is this one. These are so pigmented. Oh my gosh, these smell so good too. Like, so good. I can't even like explain it. It's almost like a cookie-ish. But yeah, thank you so much to Ofra, and thank you so much to Guerlain for sending me these products. Like, it means so much. Now I'm gonna get on to the outro. So that was my day. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me and stuff. This video may be like a tad bit long. I don't know though. I just want to give you a little advice. If you are a freshman or going to be a freshman, don't be as scared. Like, it's literally not as bad as you think it is. Don't get yourself all worked up and like all that stuff, because I was doing that all during the summer, and then the first couple days before actual school, it was like completely fine. I didn't get trampled by upperclassmen, and like I didn't get made fun of by upperclassmen, and like people really don't care like what you even look like, honestly. Be yourself, you know? There's so many people like out there just like worrying about themselves, and they couldn't care less about other people or like what they look like, and I know you have heard that a lot. And I'm gonna try to stay on top of everything this year and not try to get super overwhelmed. Of course, I have a YouTube channel along with high school, which probably is like gonna be a lot, but it's fine because I love doing it. And yeah, it's been almost 10 minutes of me just talking here, so I should probably start to end this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys did enjoy or learn something from this video. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.